Can you tell I have a lot of ratchets that need some love? Today we got another Craftsman 43175 1/4 inch ratchet. This one's a little bit different than some of the ones we've already done, but it could use some attention. Not too bad, but it does sound like it's skipping a bit. Overall, definitely could use some attention. So let's do it right now. First we'll hit it with our metal wire brush just to get off all this surface rust so the outside looks and it's clean before we dig into the inside. All right, let's remove the clip here that holds this faceplate in using our spring clip pliers. First, start with the teeth. Make sure none of them are chipped or broken, or else we're just kind of wasting our time and we might as well just get a new one. These look good, just looks really sludged up. So we'll just clean these and then also take out the back side here. And then this thing should feel brand new. Here's what I'm using. Link below if you'd like to use it as well. Just touch every moving part or metal part with some grease. Now is the hardest part. Get some grease on the ball. That needs to go on the spring. We'll then need to compress the spring and then insert the pawl. So this is a bit frustrating. You can use either the pick to do this, or you can use a precision screwdriver that's flat. There we go. Not too bad. So we got the little ball down there, and then we have the pawl in there. Now let's just fill this with grease. Cover on. There we go. Put a little grease in here. Wiggle it back and forth till it seats, just like that. We'll need to lift it up just a little bit so we can get that clip in. Just like that. Move the gears around just to circulate that grease. Now let's give you a listen. Just like that in 10 minutes. Start to finish. That's how you can revive one of these ratchets for years to come. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.